LED rock lights enhance off-road visibility, improve safety, highlight terrain, and add style to vehicles. Today's video is about top 5 best LED rock lights for off-road vehicles that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at LMSAT 9 LED rock lights. The segmented RGB LED rock light kit is an impressive upgrade for any off-road enthusiast or vehicle owner seeking style, safety, and versatility. Its newly upgraded segmented design allows you to divide each tire into 4 zones, offering 20 segmented jumping modes, 8 simulated police lights, and 16 million RGB colors. With 29 dynamic blinking and breathing modes, this kit creates stunning lighting effects that elevate the look of your vehicle. Built to last, the IP68 rated alloy aluminum lights are waterproof, shockproof, rustproof, and heat-resistant, able to handle rain, mud, snow, and tough off-road conditions. The waterproof connectors and long service life of up to 50,000 hours ensure reliability even in extreme environments. Control is seamless with the 24-key RF remote, 4-key keychain remote, or Bluetooth app for Android and iOS. Advanced features like music sync, dimming, timing, and smart brake warning improve both aesthetics and safety. Easy installation with all necessary tools makes this kit universally compatible with trucks, Jeeps, SUVs, ATVs, UTVs, and more. Now our second product is Ditrio LED rock lights. The Ditrio 5-sided RGB LED rock light kit is a standout choice for off-road enthusiasts and vehicle customization fans. Its unique 5-sided design provides 360 degrees underglow coverage, eliminating dark spots while off-roading, camping, or night driving. With 3 times the brightness of standard LEDs, every obstacle is clearly visible, improving safety and confidence on the trail. Offering 16 million colors and 213 dynamic chasing modes, the lights create a customized, eye-catching look for trucks, Jeeps, UTVs, SUVs, ATVs, or golf carts. The dual-zone app control allows independent left/right adjustments without extra remotes, simplifying customization. Additionally, the smart brake feature automatically turns lights red when braking, enhancing safety in low-light conditions. The kit comes with 2 RF remotes and a Bluetooth app supporting music sync, letting lights flash to your favorite beats. Dual-path wiring ensures clean, fast installation, and the built-in switch and fuse protect the battery. IP67 waterproof rating guarantees durability against rain, mud, snow, and extreme temperatures, making this kit reliable and long-lasting. Our third product is Auxbeam LED rock lights. The Auxbeam RGB LED rock lights are a top-tier choice for off-road enthusiasts seeking both style and safety. Featuring 16 million colors plus a crisp 6000K hybrid white, these lights allow ultimate customization for trucks, ATVs, UTVs, and SUVs. The smart brake light mode instantly turns the lights red when braking, enhancing visibility and safety day or night. Equipped with 30 high-intensity SMD LEDs per unit and a 217 degrees ultra-wide beam, they deliver bright, white illumination that lights up every corner of your path. Control is seamless via the Cool Motor Bluetooth app or the included RF remote, offering 180 dynamic modes, music sync, voice-responsive lighting, and group management to sync multiple lights. Durability is excellent, with die-cast aluminum housing and an IP67 waterproof rating to withstand mud, dust, and harsh weather. Designed for 12V systems, installation is simple and plug-and-play. With expandable pods and a 1-year warranty, these rock lights are a reliable, fun, and functional upgrade for any off-road setup. Now number 4, YiLaie LED rock lights. The YiLaie LED rock light kit is a versatile and high-performance lighting upgrade for off-road vehicles and more. Featuring a unique brake warning function, all lights instantly turn red when braking, enhancing safety and visibility on the road. The kit offers quick 4-key control and full customization via the app, allowing adjustments both on and off the road. Each pod contains 15 high-brightness 5050 multicolor LEDs with a 150 degrees wide-angle beam, delivering vibrant, uniform lighting. With unlimited color options in music sync mode, the lights can flash or pulse to the rhythm of your favorite songs, adding a fun, dynamic touch to every drive. Built with ultrasonic welding technology and IP68 waterproof rating, these rock lights are dustproof, rustproof, and durable enough for extreme off-road conditions. Installation is straightforward via QR code app setup, compatible with iOS 7 Plus and Android 4.3 Plus. Widely applicable, they suit vehicles like ATVs, UTVs, boats, and even indoor ambient lighting, offering a combination of safety, style, and entertainment. And our last choice is Hovano LED rock lights. The 6000K pure white LED rock light kit is a powerful and reliable upgrade for off-road enthusiasts and vehicle owners seeking maximum visibility and style. With 20 pods containing 720 high-brightness LEDs, 36 per pod, these lights deliver an impressive, wide, and far-reaching illumination, perfect for night driving, foggy conditions, rain, or blurred roads. The pure white light greatly enhances safety while giving your vehicle a sleek, modern look. Installation is flexible and convenient, offering both hole punching or no-drill options. The kit includes screws, ties, and double-sided tape, letting you choose between a more permanent or quick setup. Built with durable, waterproof drip rubber and high-quality plastic, these IP68 rated rock lights resist wind, sand, dirt, corrosion, and harsh weather, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. They are compatible with cars, trucks, ATVs, UTVs, SUVs, boats, motorcycles, and more, allowing versatile placement under the car, on tire wells, or boat decks. With a 12-month warranty and complete mounting hardware included, this kit is a dependable, high-quality lighting solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.